In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a metronome to your exercises so that you can keep the rhythm sort of during your exercise. So I'm going to use this Tabata timer once again, very simple. Click on Edit, and I'm going to put a metronome on the work here. So the metronome is this icon here down below, and let's set it, for example, to 60 beats per minute. So this will make a beat every 1 second. You can set it off, of course, as you like. Press done, and we have a metronome added. So now if we go press start,
Lap 1 work.
you can see that we have a metronome in the background. And if we skip an exercise, go to break, it will not be heard.